Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, November 14th. What we can see here in the NASDAQ market, they're buying to break. I do have a bias for a market to move higher, and that's what I'm looking for on Tuesday. Not a big move, but positive movement to the upside in the NASDAQ market. If we take a look at what's going on in the dollar, let's move over to those. And in the euro, not much is happening. It's fairly quiet. I was looking for an inside day. It's giving us that kind of behavior. But I think the market that we want to pay a little attention to is right down here, and that is the Canadian dollar. In this market, it traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $600 a contract. Next bullish level is $78.90 in that market. In the interest rate markets, well, this is what I call lead up to a false sense of security. Potentially bullish. We have to be on guard for that possibility, but I'm looking for further movement inside to lower in that market. Let's move on and let's take a look at what's happening with the gold market. Not much is happening there actually. Fairly quiet. I was looking for an unchanged, a slightly lower type day. This does set up the possibility for a move to the upside, and I think if we're going to see that, we should see that on Tuesday. And in the crude oil market, it traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here between the bullish and bearish levels in that market is $4,900 a contract. I'm bearish on crude oil, but we have to be on guard. The overall structure is bullish, and price usually wins out. So we have to be prepared for the possibility of an upward move in that market. Now, natural gas traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change in that market is $550 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day to slightly lower move for Tuesday's action. Soybeans fell out of bed, as you can see here. I don't look for another big move to the downside in that market. I'm looking for it to be unchanged to slightly lower in the soybean market. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.